So see the next question. How many milliliters of 0.1 molar HCl are required to react completely with 1 gram of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 containing equimolar amount of both? Right. So what you have to find here is milliliters. Milliliters of HCl, hydrochloric acid. What is given to you? Molarity is given to you. Right. So molarity is given to you. Milliliters you need to find. 1 gram of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. That is a mixture. Both it is combined. Equimolar amount of both. So see these words, equimolar. Correct. And react completely. That means HCl is reacting with Na2CO3 and with NaHCO3. Correct. So let's start with this. So first of all, see what is given to you. Molarity is given to you. So in the formula of molarity, I'll just write here. Molarity is equal to number of moles. I'll write it as weight upon molar mass. Correct. Don't confuse this, both the capital M. So this is weight of the solute upon molar mass of the solute. That is for HCl, hydrochloric acid, into volume of the solution. This volume you need to calculate. Correct. Milliliters. So volume you need to calculate. Weight of HCl we will find from the given data, and molar mass of HCl that we know 36.5. Molarity is given to you 0.1. So we need to calculate first of all weight of HCl required. Correct. So let's find how you will calculate the weight of HCl. So suppose the mass of Na2CO3. We will assume it. So mass of Na2CO3, I will take it as X grams. We don't know. Correct. Just supposing. Therefore, the mass of NaHCO3, it will be 1 minus X grams. Correct. What is the total mass of the mixture? It is given as 1 grams. Now, we want W, correct, in the previous formula. W, weight of HCl we want. So, first of all, we will find the mass of Na2CO3. What is that mass? What is the X value? And mass of NaHCO3, 1 minus X. For that, what is given to you? 1 gram of both the mixtures is only given. So, first you find moles of Na2CO3. So, moles of Na2CO3, moles is equal to mass, that is X we have supposed, upon molar mass of Na2CO3, that is 106. Similarly, moles of NaHCO3. So, moles of NaHCO3 is equal to 1 minus X upon, it will come out as 84. Correct? 84 will be the molar mass. Is the molar mass of NaHCO3. Now read the question. Equimolar amount of both. That means both are equal. This and this. So put this in the equal form. So X upon 106 is equal to 1 minus X upon 84. From here you find the value of X. Correct? From here you find the value of X from this equation. Just cross multiplication. Solve the value of X. You will get it as 0.558 grams. X value. That means the mass of Na2CO3 is 0.558. We are getting X value, right? So what will be the mass of NaHCO3? 1 minus of this value. 1 minus 0.558. That is 0.442 grams. Correct? So now you are getting the mass of both the substances. 0.558 and 0.442. So that is 1 grams. Now the next step is we will write the equation for both. Correct? We will write the equation for both. How HCl is reacting with Na2CO3. We'll check that first. So we'll write the equation now. So Na2CO3, because the word is given reacted, Na2CO3, it reacts with HCl and the products formed is NaCl plus water plus CO2. You need to balance this equation. So balancing the equation, I'll write here 2HCl and 2NaCl. Similarly, you write the equation for NaHCO3. NaHCO3 reacts with HCl. It forms the same products NaCl, H2O and CO2. Any carbonate compound will always give carbon dioxide gas. Correct? Hope this equation it is balanced. Okay, now according to the equation, what I have written here, according to the equation, we know the molar mass of Na2CO3. Molar mass of Na2CO3 is 106 grams. For HCl, it is 73 grams. Why? Because it is twice. So, 73 grams. So, 106 grams of Na2CO3, it requires 73 grams of HCl. Therefore, what was the mass you got previously? X value 0.558. 0.558 grams of Na2CO3 will require how many grams of HCl? So you get it as 0.384 grams of HCl. Similarly, for the next equation, NaHCO3, the molar mass is 84, HCl 36.5. So 84 grams of NaHCO3 requires 36.5 grams of HCl. Therefore, what was that X value you got over there? 1 minus X value 0.442. Grams of NaHCO3 will require how many grams of HCl? So that comes out to be 0.192 grams of HCl. So separately we have done for Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. This is the HCl what we have got. Correct? So now total HCl, how many grams of HCl is required? Total it. Add both the values. 0.576 grams. This much of HCl is required. So we got the value of W in the first equation what I wrote. So I'll just remove this. So in the first equation, correct? For the molarity formula we have written molarity is equal to, correct, mass by molar mass. So mass we got it as 0.576 divided by molar mass of HCl 36.5. Volume in liters you need to find, correct. Molarity is given as 0.1. So find the value of volume here. Just rearrange the equation. Volume, you get it as 0.15 liters. You can convert this to milliliters also. 157.8 milliliters. Then I'll write here 78. So liters you will get this value. Thank you.